push down, just like little holes there, and then we'll just put some little block dots for the eyes, really, really small. If you're doing a whole bunch of these, you could do royal icing. It would be much quicker than rolling these tiny little balls. Oops, see? You're just so small. Let's use the end of this to maneuver it. Ah, voila! Gotcha! Okay, blush. Same blush we used on the other one. Little here, little there, little there. Maybe his ear. Ooh, it's a little much. Okay, now we need a little yellow. So we will do yellow where the buttons are. Need some water. And then where the buckle is going to be. Sometimes it's hard to get in there with your fingers. You could just take this tool and help it along. And then again, he looks like a little young whippersnapper without his beard. There we go. So give him some eyebrows. Sorry, should do it so you can see. Voila! Oh, he doesn't have, he should have a, should he have a belt? Yes, he should have a black belt. Could do the lighter green too to go with the hat, but I think I need some more black. So you could definitely change, if you wanted to change this one to black, you could. I kind of need to bring that in too. We'll do one more buckle. So he takes a little bit more time, doesn't he? It's cute though. So just do one of these on your platter and the rest shamrocks, and you'll be fine. Hey, there we go. Okay, so we're all done with the decorating. We can, well, not really, we're gonna color and then we can put it all together. I'm so excited to see how it comes out.